Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the Clockman from Skibidi Toilet Multiverse. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off at the top and let's draw a curve across for the bottom of the hat. Now in the center, let's hop up slightly and let's draw 2 circles for the goggles. And then add another circle inside each of these. Now for the sides, let's hop out slightly and let's draw a curve up on both sides. And then close off the top with a curve across. Now let's finish off the brim of the hat by curving it in from both sides. That's it for the shape. Now let's move in and let's add the details. We'll start behind the goggles and let's draw a curve at the bottom and one behind at the top. Next, on top of each of the goggles, let's draw a small oval and then a line across. Next, let's hop up from the top and let's draw a skinny V shape down. Then let's draw a curve across near the bottom and then 2 X's. Next, let's hop up on the top left corner and let's draw an X shape. And then thicken it up slightly. Then let's add a circle at each of the ends. Next, let's move over on the right side and let's add a small oval, a line across in the center, and another circle inside. Then let's add a curve along the left side. Next, let's hop over on the right and let's draw one more bump out. And then on the top of the hat, let's draw 2 curves on the top right and on the top left. And that's it for the hat. Next, let's move down and let's draw the head. Let's start underneath in the center and let's draw a circle. Then inside this one, another smaller circle in the middle. Now let's hop out and let's draw another circular curve around. Another one, pretty close to the other one. And then one more final one around. Next, let's move inside and let's add the details. Let's start in the center and let's draw a small black circle. Now from the bottom left, let's draw a set of lines out and another one below. Now let's close off the end of each one with a V shape. And then color each of them in black. Now let's draw the Roman numerals. Let's start on the top right and let's draw the number 2 with 2 lines. Then the number 3 with 3 lines on the right side. And then continue writing the numbers all the way around up until the number 10. And when you're done, it should look like this. Now let's move to the next skinny circle and let's draw striped lines inside. And lastly, in the outer circle, let's draw some small circles. Let's draw one at 9 o'clock on the left and one at 3 o'clock. Then hop down and let's draw one at the bottom at 6 o'clock. Then let's draw a circle corresponding to the rest of the numbers. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. Let's start underneath the head and let's draw two curves coming down to a point. Then let's hop inside and let's draw a small V shape at the top. Then angle it down on both sides for the collar. Now inside, let's add the tie. Let's draw two angles down and a line across the bottom. And bring it down on both sides. Lastly, for the tie, let's add some diagonal stripes. Now let's hop back up and let's add the shoulders. From the sides, let's curve it out and down. And then from under the shoulders, let's draw a curve down. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw the jacket collar. From the top, let's draw a bent line down on both sides. And then a larger one underneath. Next, on the top right of the jacket, let's add the pocket watch. Let's start with a small circle, another one inside, and then add 3 diagonal lines. Next, on top, let's draw a small rectangle up, and then add a curve around the top. Now let's hop back to the sides and let's finish drawing the shape of the jacket. Let's start by drawing an angled line down, and then bring it down from both sides. Next, let's hop to the center and let's draw a line down about halfway, and then 2 angles at the bottom. And now let's close off each side with a curve across. Lastly, let's move inside and let's draw rectangles on both sides for the pockets. And that's it for the torso. Now let's move to the sides and add the arms. From the shoulder line, let's bring it down on both sides. And then angle it downwards. Now let's add the same bent line from the inside. And then close off the end of each sleeve with the curve across. Now underneath, let's add a curved rectangle. And now let's add the hands. Let's start with the right side and let's draw a thumb by curving it down, then bring it back around and up. And for the left hand, we're going to draw it a little bit different, holding the cane. Let's leave a gap and let's draw a square. Then from the right side, let's curve it down and in for the thumb. Then for the left side, let's draw a bent line and then curve it back up. Now let's draw the rest of the cane underneath. From under the square, let's draw 2 long lines down. And then close off the end. Next, let's move inside and let's draw 2 curves at the top, and then continue it in sets of 2 going down like this. And that's it for the cane. Now let's move in and finish drawing the legs. Let's start underneath in the center and let's draw a line down. Then angles down from both sides. And the same thing on the outside. Now let's close off the bottom of each pant leg with a curve across. Lastly, at the bottom, let's add the shoes. From the inside, let's draw a line down. And then from the outside, let's draw a curve out and down. And for the left, let's make sure it's behind the cane. And then close off the bottom of each foot. And that's it for the Clockman. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!